Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of white stone countertops, specifically comparing white quartzite and white quartz, which are often confused with one another, but they do have some key difference. By the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate between the two and make the right choice for your home renovation project. White quartzite is a natural stone formed from metamorphosed sandstone, known for its beauty and durability. It can also add a touch of luxury to any kitchen and bathroom. It's available in wide variety of white shades with some veining or patterning depending on the specific variety. White quartz is a manufactured material made from crushed quartz crystals, resin, pigments and other binders. In the recent years, it has become a popular choice for countertops due to its durability, affordability and a wide variety of colors and patterns. So between white quartzite and white quartz, which one is the right for you? Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. White quartzite and white quartz both are stunning, but they have unique characteristics. White quartzite is a natural stone and known for its natural beauty, whereas white quartz is man-made and is available in wider variety of colors and patterns. First up, white quartzite, known for its natural beauty and unique veining patterns. No two slabs are ever the same. It's a natural stone that adds a one-of-a-kind elegance to any space. On the other hand, white quartz offers a wider variety of colors and patterns. Since it's engineered, you can achieve a more uniform look, making it ideal for modern designs. In terms of durability, both are incredibly strong and resistant to everyday wear and tear, making them great for kitchens and bathrooms. Heat resistance? No worries. Both can handle heat from pots and pans, making them practical choices for busy kitchens. However, quartzite is more heat resistant than quartz when you get into the technicalities. Here's where they differ significantly. Porosity. Quartzite is relatively porous, which means it requires sealing to prevent stains. Quartz, however, is non-porous, so it doesn't need sealing, making it a low-maintenance option. And finally, coming to the cost, quartzite tends to be more expensive because it's a natural stone and requires more curing and finishing, whereas quartz, being engineered, are often affordable, providing luxury at a lower price. So, which one is right for you? If you love the natural beauty and uniqueness of stone and don't mind a bit of maintenance, quartzite is your pick. But if you want variety, uniformity and low maintenance at a lower cost, quartz is the way to go. Either way, both materials will add style and value to your home. Need help deciding? Reach out to us for expert advice and stunning samples to make your dream space a reality.